Hello everyone, this is a recording for how we can access the assignment tab and upload the assignment specifically for the class coordinators. As you could see my system, I am into the campus care domain, which we get into when we have to do our mark entry. So here I am doing my login as the teacher. Please see to this. This is my dashboard. As you could see, this is my dashboard, and you people are quite used to this environment because we have been doing our mark entry through this. Now we come to the application tab. In this application tab, we will be able to access the assignment option only and only when our school online option is unlocked for us on our ID, like we have it for exam and assessment. So the school online option also has to be unlocked for us. As you could see, the other options are logged. We only have the access to the student information and then to the exam and assessment, and as I have been given the school online option to my account. So we'll click on this. When we click on this, we have these tabs activated for us. We go into this assignment tab when we have to upload the regular assignment. This is what was demonstrated by Uma ma'am in yesterday's meeting. Now here we click on the new option when we want to start uploading the new assignment. Now when we come to this, we have to select the type of assignment that we need to upload, be it the homework or the enrichment activity or any kind of activity or project or circular for our children. So let us say I am uploading the homework. Fine. Then you have to select the user type for whom you want to upload this. Either it is for the student or for the employee. That means for our co-teachers. So I take student. Fine. Now next is I have to give the title to my work. Say I am giving them weekly worksheet. So I will simply type weekly worksheet. Okay. And then in the description you can give the guidelines. Let us say submit your work by Monday. Okay. Now as you could see, the font size is basically small. So what you can do is you can select the type text. You can come to this option of size and you can select a large size or a larger size or whatever you want. Then the date is there. If you want the student to submit online, that means through Campus Care only, so that we get it into our domain. So you just tick this option. Then the next thing is class and section. Whether you want to upload it student wise or you want to upload it class wise, it is up to you. Right now I'll be taking it student wise. I won't take it class wise because I don't want to send it to my children. See, this is the dummy project. So I will make use of the student of any of my colleague. Say for example, I take the class 6C or 7D so that I can take it for Qasim or Yumna. Thanks to the kids, they are a great help to us. So let us say I take 6C. Okay. Then I say display. Now when I say display, as you could see, it will display the class list under this option. Okay, now I am going to select the subject. Say my subject is computers. Then I am going to attach a file. Please make sure the file that you attach, the maximum file size is 5 MB, which is permitted. Total of 3 files and a video link can be uploaded. So be very particular about the file size. It should not have much of images or of that page formatting, because that consumes a lot of space. So accordingly, look into it, and only PDF and JPEG, that is images, can be uploaded. So I will just take this subject enrichment activity and I'll say open. This is my PDF file. Now as you can see, my file is attached over here. Alright, now from here I will select my specific student with whom I want to share this. As of now, let us say Yumna. Okay, so I am done with this, and I will finally say save. Before that, if I say send SMS, then see, I have saved it now. Now with this send SMS option which is activated, a message will flow on the registered phone number, and the child will get an intimation that some assignment has been uploaded. Now let us see from the child's perspective how the child will view this. Just give me a second, please. When the child will log in to his or her domain, we'll come to that academic option. He can take up, like before that, you can check through internal messages or voice messages. You just go, the child will go to the academic option, assignments and circulars. Now see this. This is what I uploaded, weekly worksheet, as you could see, fine, in the child's dashboard. Okay, now from here the child can view. When the child will click on view, so he get this notification, subject your work by Monday. Now an attachment is here, he'll double click on this file, and the file, the child will be able to access the file, right? From this, the child will download with this button on his or her system, right? And now the file has been downloaded. Now the child wants to submit. The child can go on choose files, and from the domain it can select a file. Say suppose the child has clicked a picture. The child has clicked a picture. Say this is there and say open. Fine. Now the file has been uploaded and the child will say submit assignment. Fine. Right now some error has been flashed over here and I am unable to access it further. And when I was trying to upload PDF file on this, same was coming that I can upload only JPG file. That means the children are not permitted to upload PDF files. This problem has been updated with the concerned INTAB person, that is Miss Sonia, and she will get back to me tomorrow with that. As of now, this is it, how we can upload it as a teacher, and how a child can view it from his or her domain. Thank you so much. Please go through this. If you find it helpful or you need any other help on this, please let me know. Thank you.